Hello again. Take a slow breath. Let your shoulders relax. We will continue the story calmly with steady English and gentle practice. Listen carefully and repeat when you are ready. After some time, I noticed another change in my days. My evenings felt different. I did not feel as tired as before. Repeat after me. My evenings felt different. Say it again. My evenings felt different. Before, I came home and felt empty. I sat quietly and thought too much. Repeat after me. I thought too much. Now my evenings felt lighter. I felt more present. Repeat after me. I felt more present. Good. Let's continue. One evening, I came home after work. I took off my shoes slowly. I placed them near the door. Repeat after me. I placed my shoes near the door. I washed my hands. I looked at myself in the mirror. Repeat after me. I looked at myself in the mirror. I saw a calm face, not perfect, just calm. Repeat after me. A calm face. I smiled a little. That surprised me. Repeat after me. I smiled a little. I went into the kitchen. I opened the fridge. I looked at my food. Repeat after me. I opened the fridge. I decided to cook something simple. Repeat after me. Something simple. Cooking felt peaceful. I cut vegetables slowly. I listened to the sounds. Repeat after me. I cut vegetables slowly. While cooking, I spoke English quietly to myself. Repeat after me. I am cooking dinner. Say it again. I am cooking dinner. Talking like this felt natural now. Repeat after me. It felt natural. I sat down to eat. I did not look at my phone. Repeat after me. I did not look at my phone. I ate slowly. I tasted my food. Repeat after me. I ate slowly. After dinner, I cleaned the dishes calmly. Repeat after me. I cleaned the dishes calmly. Good. Let's continue. Later that evening, I sat on the couch. I turned on a small lamp. Repeat after me. I turned on a lamp. The room felt quiet and safe. Repeat after me. The room felt safe. I opened my notebook. I wrote a few sentences. Repeat after me. I wrote a few sentences. I wrote about my day. I wrote about the bus. I wrote about staying calm. Repeat after me. I wrote about my day. Writing helped me understand myself. Repeat after me. Writing helped me. Now listen carefully. Let's practice together. I come home calmly. I cook simple food. I eat slowly. I relax at home. I practice English. Repeat each sentence slowly. Good. Let's continue. That night, I slept well. My body felt relaxed. Repeat after me. I slept well. The next morning came quietly. I woke up before my alarm. Repeat after me. I woke up early. I did not feel rushed. I did not feel afraid. Repeat after me. I did not feel afraid. I stretched my arms. I took a deep breath. Repeat after me. I took a deep breath. I noticed my breathing more now. Repeat after me. I noticed my breathing. Breathing helped me feel steady. Repeat after me. It helped me feel steady. I got ready again. Same steps, same calm feeling. Repeat after me. Same calm feeling. At the bus stop, something new happened. Repeat after me. Something new happened. A man stood near me. He looked confused. Repeat after me. He looked confused. He asked, "Is this bus going downtown?" Repeat after me. Is this bus going downtown? I understood the question. I answered calmly. Repeat after me. I answered calmly. I said, "Yes, it goes downtown." Repeat after me. It goes downtown. He smiled and said, "Thank you." Repeat after me. Thank you. I said, "You're welcome." Repeat after me. You're welcome. That small moment felt big to me. Repeat after me. It felt big to me. I helped someone in English. Repeat after me. I helped someone. Now listen carefully. Another practice block. Is this bus going downtown? Yes, it is. Thank you. You're welcome. Have a good day. Repeat slowly. Take your time. Good. On the bus, I felt proud, quietly proud. Repeat after me. I felt proud. I did not tell anyone. I just felt it inside. Repeat after me. I felt it inside. At work, my coworker greeted me again. Repeat after me. Good morning. I replied clearly. My voice felt steady. Repeat after me. My voice felt steady. During the day, I listened more. I spoke slowly. Repeat after me. I spoke slowly. I did not rush my words. Repeat after me. I did not rush. Mistakes still happened, but they did not stop me. Repeat after me. Mistakes did not stop me. I remembered something important. Repeat after me. Something important. Learning English is not a race. Repeat after me. It is not a race. It is a daily walk. Repeat after me. A daily walk. Some days are fast. Some days are slow. Repeat after me. Some days are slow. Both are okay. Repeat after me. Both are okay. After work, I walked to the bus stop again. Repeat after me. I walked to the bus stop. The sun was lower in the sky. Repeat after me. The sun was lower. I waited calmly. Repeat after me. I waited calmly. The bus arrived on time. Repeat after me. It arrived on time. I sat and looked outside. Repeat after me. I looked outside. Now listen carefully. Let's practice calm sentences again. I am learning every day. I am calm. I am patient. I speak slowly. I am improving. Repeat gently. Good. When I got home, I felt thankful. Repeat after me. I felt thankful. Thankful for small things. Repeat after me. Small things. Thankful for learning. Repeat after me. Thankful for learning. That night, I thought about my journey. Repeat after me. My journey. Moving to a new place is not easy. Repeat after me. It is not easy. Learning a new language is not easy. Repeat after me. It is not easy. But I am doing it. Repeat after me. I am doing it. One step at a time. Repeat after me. One step at a time. I remembered missing the bus again. Repeat after me. I remembered the bus. That moment felt far